how to sync Microsoft OneNote across devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Microsoft OneNote across all the devices so your notes stay updated everywhere, whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or phone. So let's get started. First, open up your Google Chrome or any browser and head over to Microsoft OneNote. Then you'll need to make sure that you're signed into OneNote with the same Microsoft account on all the devices. OneNote uses your Microsoft account to sync notes through OneDrive, so this step is very important. So on the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it and check where you're logged in. So make sure that you're logged in into the same account in all your devices. So this is how you make sure that your Microsoft OneNote is synced across devices. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.